Yes, good afternoon officers. Time for the flash 10 minute CSAT program. Already 13 to 14 topics have been done. Today's topic is very interesting, coding and decoding, Pakka questions in your UPSC. So let's solve real-time PYQ questions, coding and decoding topic. So real-time questions, let's check it out. UPSC 2023 Radigari question. If 0 is written as chur, C, so Z is becoming 0, H, U, R. So if you observe this, what is the pattern? Question is player, P-L-A-Y-E-R. So if you observe this, Manaki, what is the logic behind it? Let's have a quick glance. Z is becoming C. Ante 26 is becoming 3. Ante you have to add plus 3 to it. F, G, H. Again plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So same thing will apply here. Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So what are the words you are going to get? First here, you are going to get P nunchi 3 add cheste Q, R, S. S, L, M, N, O. So SO, if you observe, SO is same here. So manaki C and D. Next is C ostunda choose one. So A tarvata 3 add cheste D ostundi. So that means this is lost. So this one DB varaku same ga unnai. Now DB. Next Y nunchi B. E tarvata plus 3. F, G, H. H ravali ikkada. So and finally, if you observe this, this is lost. Now we are left with only two things. TR. R tarvata. R, S, T. If you observe T, S, U. So this should be U. So you. So answer is option D. This is how a very, very simple coding decoding question given in 2023. So let's solve another question in a little different way. Let's observe this. In the order of English alphabet is reversed and each letter in the new order represents the letter which has taken its original place. Then which one of the following represents the word Lucknow? So order of English ni reverse cheyadam ante enti basically that is what you have to understand. A1 kabatti A should become 26. B2 kabatti Y will become 2. Atla cheskunte Lucknow ni etla rastaru basically. So keeping that in mind manam chusukundam okkasari. So given point is Lucknow. So what do we get out of this? This is a major point. So if you observe carefully, manaki A becomes A1 kabatti it becomes 26, B2 kabatti it becomes 25. Atla ulta kottukunte manak Lucknow lo L ki atuvaipu nunchi from the last what is the number? For example, here if you observe L becomes O, U becomes F, C becomes X, K becomes P, N becomes M, O becomes L, W becomes T. What is the meaning of this? W is 4 from the last, D is 4 from the first. That is the meaning. Atlane all these words, the counterparts. So em jali, what number nunchi 27 nunchi tees padeste. You will get those numbers. As simple as this. So based on this, you are getting OFX PMLD. OFX PMLD. This is the answer. So simple way to solve the problem. So you can use 27 minus the number from front. If you use this, then directly you can solve the questions like this. So simple 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes questions, you get 2 marks very easily. So Atlantide, I have given another question for you to do it. So in a code language, mathematics is written as LBS, IDNHR. What is the chemistry written in that code? So here if you observe, Mali Raskon Oksari question, mathematics, MATHEMATICS. So if you observe, M is becoming L, B, S, I, D, N, U, H, D, R. So these are the numbers. So think what is the mathematics thing that can happen over here. So if you observe M, K, L, M. So L is before M, so minus 1. A tarvata B plus 1. T minus S minus 1. So this should be plus 1. So minus 1. So this is a sequence of minus 1 come plus 1. This is the sequence. So based on this, this will be your homework problem. Try out and solve the problem. And this is also real-time PYQ question, 2021 lo adigaru. This question is also PYQ question 22 lo adigaru. And this is also PYQ question 23 lo adigaru. So all these are real-time previous year questions. So definitely every year, one coding, decoding, or two coding, sometimes 3-4 decoding, decoding questions are given. So please concentrate on this topic, very, very important. So that's all for today. Shamanth Pydikondala signing off. Bye-bye.